Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. मैम स्क्रीन ब्लर ब्लर है.
स्क्रीन क्या करनी है तुम्हें? स्क्रीन पे तो मैंने फोकस ही नहीं किया हुआ अभी. यस. बोलो जल्दी. You don't know, I think. Okay. Next, Sahil, can you tell me which of the p orbitals forms the pi bonds out of the three p orbitals?
Ma'am, PZ.
PZ is forming pi bonds. Sahil. Sanket.
Yes, ma'am.
Which p orbitals form the pi bonds?
Ma'am, PX and PY.
Px and py. Okay, what is Aufbau principle, Sanket?
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes.
मैम जो रिफ्रेशर में तो मैम ये लिखा हुआ था कि ये कंपलसरी नहीं है कि पीजेड हमेशा सिग्मा बॉन्ड ही फॉर्म करे. ये तो हमने कन्वेंशन कर रखा है. बाकी
My question, लेकिन फिर तुम दो orbitals तो you should have mentioned. I told you generally in chemistry we are taking z axis as the pi internuclear axis. Okay, let me modify my question. Just note down the question. If we take z axis as internuclear axis, then pz forms pi bonds. Sorry, pz forms sigma bonds, and px and py they are forming pi bonds. Yes or no? Next question. If we take y-axis as internuclear axis, then which of the following form pi bonds? It is a multiple choice. First, 2s and 2s. Second is 2pz and 2pz. Third is 2px plus 2px. Fourth option is 2py plus 2py. Okay, Siddharth, you only answer it. Yes, Siddhant.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you read the question, please? It's not visible.
Code is not visible. Just wait. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I told you if I am taking the z axis as internuclear axis, then pz orbital is forming the sigma bond and other two axes are forming the pi bonds. But if we take y axis as the internuclear axis, then what should be the bond formed by 2s and 2s? Siddharth Jain. 2s and 2s.
Yes.
2s and 2s will form which bond? I am taking the y axis as internuclear axis.
Sigma.
2s always forms sigma bond. Now, in this case, since I am taking y-axis as internuclear axis, so it means that this orbital will also form the sigma bond because sigma bond is formed along internuclear axis. Is the point clear? Sigma bond is formed along the internuclear axis. So it means that if I am taking y-axis as the internuclear axis, then this orbital forms the sigma bond. But if it is not specified, then generally what we take is z-axis as internuclear axis. ठीक है? अच्छा, इस केस में what will be the bond formed by 2pz and 2pz?
Pi.
pi.
Of the pi bonds, the one which is taken as the internuclear axis will form the sigma bond. Is it okay? Okay. Now
Yes.
my next question goes to Shreya. Shreya, say yes, ma'am first.
Ma'am.
Yes, Shreya. Now, can you tell me what is the increasing order of energies? Sigma, first electrons. Okay, what is molecular orbital configuration only for He2 plus molecule. Single molecule having a positive charge. How many total electrons in He2 plus molecule?
Ma'am, the left side of the board is not visible.
कौन सा portion visible नहीं है बेटा? अब देखो, is it visible? I think अब now complete board is 1 minute. Let me record it also, and I will spotlight.
Ma'am, in last video you spotlighted, but your video was coming in the corner.
But I what to do then?
Ma'am, total 3.
Total 3 electrons. 1 minute. Let me. बेटा मैं spotlight कर रही हूँ. हर बार ऐसे होते हैं. Whenever I am spotlighting, is it coming in the corner only?
Ma'am, last recording और last recording में तो ऐसे हुआ था.
Okay, no
No.
problem. I am sharing my screen then. Don't worry. Okay. Now it will come full. No problem. Now anyone who has joined still later, I think 1 or 2 students, they have joined even after the attendance and when I send the screenshot of the absentees in the class. Anyone who has joined?
Ma'am,
नाम बोलो.
Kanha.
Okay. Yes, Shreya. There are 3 electrons. Helium के अंदर होते हैं 2. तो helium 2 का मतलब हो गया 4 minus 1. That is equal to 3 electrons. Yes. Now can you tell me the configuration, Shreya?
Ma'am, sigma 1s2 and sigma 1s1.
Sigma antibonding 1 is 1. Very good. What is the bond order, Shreya? Are you very happy with the response? श्रेया ने मेरे को लग रहा है फर्स्ट टाइम रिस्पांस किया है क्लास में. ओके, यस, टेल मी नाउ.
नहीं मैम, पहले भी रिस्पॉन्स किया है.
पहले भी किया है. ओके, बोलो. व्हाट इज द
Ma'am, can
बॉन्ड
you
ऑर्डर?
repeat the question?
व्हाट इज द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर, श्रेया? व्हाट इज द बॉन्ड ऑर्डर?
Ma'am, 0.5.
What should I write?
Ma'am,
Make use of the formula and just tell what should I write. I don't want the direct answer. Do you know the formula?
ma'am, 2 minus 1.
2 minus 1. Bonding में 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Siddhant Sharma. Is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic? मैं record
Ma'am,
रख रही हूँ.
para.
It is paramagnetic. Why it is paramagnetic? Siddhant Sharma. Sharma नहीं बोल रहा मेरे ख्याल से. Why it is paramagnetic? Yes. Why it is paramagnetic? No answer. Okay,
Because
Sahil.
it has 1.
मैंने 2 बच्चों का नेम नोट किया. Those who have not answered, one of them is Sahil and other is Siddhant Sharma.
Ma'am,
They are
3
not.
electron.
बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. What is the
Ma'am, 3
reason?
electron.
Pardon? Voice नहीं है बेटा ठीक से.
Ma'am, 3 electron है. Okay.
It is having an unpaired electron. Okay. Now suppose my question is, if I have to write the configuration of N2 minus. N2 minus. Okay. Next, the answer will be given by Galaxy. Yes, Galaxy. N2 minus. How many total electrons? Galaxy, Yes or no? Yes, ma'am. Galaxy
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 electrons.
कितने?
Ma'am, 2.
And 2 minus. How many electrons in nitrogen atom? Yes. Next, Ayush. Galaxy, तुमने तो बड़ा अजीब सा आंसर दे दिया. Yes, Ayush. How many
Ma'am, 7,
electrons?
ma'am. Sorry. Ma'am, 7 होंगे.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
7.
N molecule having a minus charge. So how many electrons here? In this molecule, N2 molecule having a negative charge. How many electrons?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, negative है तो ma'am 5.
बेटा पढ़कर आना. Yes, next question goes to Ayush. And please, all of you switch on your cameras. All the students. None of the cameras are on. Please switch on your cameras. I can't see any camera on. And if you are, I am asking a question and you are switched off, you won't be given any marks. Yes, N2 minus. Yes.
मॉम टुडे माय नेटवर्क स्ट्रेंथ इज वीक, सो मैं कैमरा चलाऊंगा तो आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखेगी मेरे को, मॉम इसलिए मॉम नहीं चला रहा आज.
का कोई बात नहीं, एक दो बच्चों की कोई बात नहीं. What about others? Out of 35, I can see only one camera on, 1 or 2 cameras.
Ma'am, I will also be not able to switch on my camera.
Okay, other students, please on your cameras. I am noting the names of the students who are switching on their camera so that I can give them weightage while giving the internal assessments. Okay, N2 minus. Yes, total how many electrons? Ayush?
10.
बहुत अच्छा बेटा, तुम लोग पता नहीं कहाँ की केमिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हो. Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
How many electrons?
Ma'am, nitrogen. Ma'am, nitrogen has ma'am, nitrogen has ma'am 5 electrons.
5 electrons. Very good. Aishwarya? आज मैंने इन बच्चों को बिल्कुल नंबर नहीं दिया है. Mark them 0 marks. To Ayush, Galaxy, Sahil.
Ma'am, 7 electrons.
Ma'am, 15.
किसान शर्मा ने
Because N2
किसान
minus.
शर्मा को 0 marks. Yes, 15 electrons. Okay. Next, Bhavya Mishra. Can you tell me the configuration, Bhavya Mishra?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the configuration. Total are 15 electrons. Now tell me the configuration, Bhavya Mishra.
Ma'am, 1s2.
Yes.
Sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2. Ma'am, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2x2,
Yes.
pi 2px2,
इसको हमेशा ऐसे लिखा करो. Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py. So 8 हो गया, 9, 10.
दोनों 2.
Yes, next.
Sigma 2pz2,
Sigma 2pz2. Yes. Then how many till here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. One more electron.
ma'am, pi star 2px1.
Yes. Pi star, you can write like this. Pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py. But there is one electron, so it will be going like this. Is it okay? Okay. Very good, beta. आपका मैंने mark कर लिया. Okay. Now, when we are drawing the diagram, I told you और बाकी स्टूडेंट सभी भी सुन लो, हो सकता है मैं इन्हीं स्टूडेंट से दोबारा पूछूं। मेरा एम बेटा है कि all the students should get full marks. Okay, so those names who are what I have marked, I will be giving them a chance again today of the topic that I am teaching. Okay, any doubt you can ask. Now see, when I told you that on the extreme side I am taking all the ions. ठीक है, एक जगह मैंने लिख लिया N2 minus है, so one of them is nitrogen and other is N minus. So two nitrogen having a negative charge. How many electrons are present in nitrogen? 7. N minus के अंदर हो गए 8 total. There are 15 electrons. So on one side we are writing the atomic orbitals, and on other side we are writing the molecular orbitals. Now the configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. All of you know atomic number of nitrogen is 7, and we have to start like this. Increasing order of energy, we have to write like this. Okay, so this is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So 1s2, 2s2, and 2p3 with p orbitals. There are 3 p orbitals, one electron each. Now similarly here again N minus means 1s2. Then it will be 2s2. And it will be 2p4 because now there are 4 electrons. Is it okay? Any doubt you can ask. Now in the center what we are showing are the molecular orbitals. Now when two of the 1s orbitals they are combining. So what we are getting is bonding 1s and anti-bonding 1s. So whenever 1s we combine with 1s, what we are getting is bonding 1s2, anti-bonding 1s2. तो यहाँ पर आ गए आपके 2 electrons in here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now similarly, when 2s and 2s are combining, what we are getting is bonding 2s2 and anti-bonding 2s2. Bonding is always lesser in energy and anti-bonding is more in energy. So what we are getting is anti-bonding 2s2 and bonding 2s2. So 2 electrons here and 2 electrons here. Now see, when 2p and 2p are combining, what we are getting are all these. All these are formed when 2p and 2p are combining, and the energy of bonding is less. So bonding वाले सारे नीचे आएंगे. Bonding how they are starting, pi 2px is equal to pi 2py. What we have got is pi 2px is equal to pi 2py. It means these two orbitals have same energy. And then what we are getting is sigma 2pz. So these are the bonding and their energies are lower. Is it okay? Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py. Then what we are getting is sigma 2pz. अब इसके ऊपर क्या आएगा? Pi anti-bonding. Again there are 2 orbitals. Pi anti-bonding 2px is equal to pi anti-bonding 2py. So they have more energy. And then what we are getting is sigma anti-bonding 2pz. And these 2 orbitals are degenerate orbitals. The energy of these 5 orbitals are same. Any doubt till here you can ask. Okay. Now Sahil, can you now tell me how to fill the electrons? Sahil, I am again giving you a chance. Sahil.
Yes, ma'am.
8 electrons. Okay, so what should I write now?
Ma'am, we have to, ma'am, 2 in 1s.
1, 2, then
We will to put 2 in others also.
put these. What about here?
We will put there also. Ma'am,
One.
eight.
Okay. Now, Sahil, can you tell me whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic?
Ma'am, paramagnetic.
Paramagnetic. Okay, good. Now, what is the bond order? Because there is one unpaired electron. You can see this orbital has a single electron, so it is paramagnetic. What about the bond order? How many electrons in the bonding and how many in the anti-bonding?
7
Divided
minus.
into होएगा ये.
एक मिनट, bonding में कितने साहिल only? How many electrons in the bonding? You
Ma'am,
can see
7.
how it is 7.
Ma'am,
2
6.
कैसे? ये bonding है एंटी बॉन्डिंग है? काउंट करो बॉन्डिंग में यहाँ पर कितने हैं? हाउ मेनी इन बॉन्डिंग?
Ma'am, 6.
Is this bonding or anti-bonding? Actually, bonding what I am doing by black pen. Is this bonding or anti-bonding? Sigma minus 2.
Ma'am, this is bonding.
Another bonding. उसके बाद कौन सा bonding है? ये and bonding anti-bonding. Next
2.
one.
Ma'am, that's anti-bonding.
Next one. What about this one?
Ma'am, 1 with the star is anti-bonding.
आपका bonding है. This is anti-bonding. Now, what about these orbitals? These two are they bonding or anti-bonding? Pi 2px is equal to pi 2py.
Bonding.
Okay. What about sigma 2pz? Is this bonding anti-bonding? Sigma 2pz.
Anti-bonding.
Anti-bonding
Ma'am,
है ये.
bonding, bonding, bonding.
इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बॉन्डिंग भी करना जरा. और ये दोनों जहाँ पे स्टार है वही तो एंटी बॉन्डिंग है. हाउ मेनी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन बॉन्डिंग?
9.
How is it 9? This is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes,
It's
ma'am, 10.
10 minus 5. What is the bond order?
5 by 2.
6 is equal to 2.5. Is the molecule stable or unstable?
Stable.
You're stable or unstable? Yes. Who can tell
Ma'am,
me whether
stable.
it is stable? Okay. So in this way we can do it. Now see, this is still nitrogen. But when we are taking the case of please draw it the diagram. Draw the diagram. 12th class of school आ रही है तो मुझसे copies ही मंगवा रही हूँ मैं. Same for you. Maintain your copies. At least from the current topic, your copy should be very well maintained.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल्स में आना मैंडेटरी है.
क्या चीज?
Ma'am, with full notes or just NCERT questions and some concepts as you said?
Whatever is being done in the class, please maintain in your copies.
मैम प्रैक्टिकल में आना मैंडेटरी है.
पता चल जाएगा बेटा. If you have filled the consent form, it depends on you. हाँ, but one thing is practicals. जब तक आप lab में, when you are not performing the practicals in the lab, how will you attend the exam, practical exam? It will be given to you.
And you
if you
will
have-
be taking up practicals also during these classes.
Yes, I think so. Nothing is being finalized for class 11 depending upon the number of consent forms. Let's see what happens.
मैम ऐसा
Ma'am,
पॉसिबल हो
please
सकता
not
है कि मैं क्लासेस ना करूं और प्रैक्टिकल्स अटेंड करूं सारे.
बेटा लेकिन अभी तो बताएंगे ना तुम्हें. अभी तो हो सकता है मे बी we are calling you for practicals only for the starting. Initially we may be calling you for the practicals. Like we are doing in class 12. We are calling them only for the particles for the time being.
Your video is not visible.
Yes, video is not visible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it's not visible.
It's paused.
Ma'am, it's stopped.
Okay, no problem. Actually, when I share the video, ना this problem comes. Sharing में बहुत जल्दी वो उससे हो जाता है. Okay. Now just see. And now I am proceeding further with the
मैम
topic.
आई हैड अ डाउट.
Yes.
मैम जो लास्ट में आपने 2p3 में लिखा है उसमें एंटी बॉन्डिंग में आपने सिग्मा स्टार px 2px में तो कर दिया और 2py में क्यों नहीं किया?
ये बेटा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन बचा था, दोनों की एनर्जी सेम, आप कहीं पे भी दिखा दो. These orbitals are called as degenerate orbitals, means same energy. If I am writing like this, it's okay. If I am writing like this, it's okay. Yes or no?
मैम पर रिप्रेजेंटेशन में तो 2p मैम 2pxy के ऊपर भी 1 है और 2py के ऊपर भी 1 है.
No one. नहीं ये कौन दिखाया यहाँ पर कौन दिखाया? नहीं लिखा. If you want, I can write 0. यहाँ पर मैंने देखो 1 लिखा हुआ है, but here I have not written 1. Because there are total of 15 electrons. Till here we have still 14 electrons, so 1 electron is going here.
And then why did we write it 2py?
बेटा क्योंकि जब अगर मेरे को मैं यहाँ नहीं लिखूंगी इट्स ओके, लेकिन जब हम लिखते हैं हमें मालूम है कि दोनों की एनर्जी सेम है, तो आइडियली वी शुड राइट बोथ एंड आर शोइंग दैट इलेक्ट्रॉन इज गोइंग इनटू वन ऑफ देम. These orbitals, like यहाँ पर डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हुए तो मैंने सिग्मा एंटी बॉन्डिंग 2pz भी दिखाया ना, जबकि यहाँ नहीं लिखा. यहाँ पे भी I should have written because here but there are no electrons present.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I am proceeding further for the oxygen molecule. Now basically this theory, okay, I will draw the diagram again. Now this theory was particularly very relevant for oxygen molecule on the basis of other molecule theories. Whatever theories we have done, other earlier theories, we could not predict magnetic character of oxygen. We could not predict magnetic character of oxygen. Only the molecular orbital theory shows that O2 molecule is paramagnetic. This is the only theory which helped in predicting that oxygen molecule is paramagnetic. Okay, so this theory particularly, this is a 1 mark question count. This theory proves that oxygen is paramagnetic. So only the molecular orbital theory shows that oxygen is paramagnetic. Question can be like this: which theory proves O2 is paramagnetic? I am giving a number of options: valence. I am simply recording and spotlighting. Okay, first option is valence part theory, second is Vesper theory, Third is MO theory. Okay. Now which of what will be the answer? Obviously, molecular orbital theory. So this is the theory which proves that oxygen molecule is paramagnetic. Can you see my video now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay, is the point clear? Now, what is the configuration for O2 molecule? There are how many electrons?
not visible.
To others, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मुझे
ma'am.
दोबारा से मुझे देखो जब सबको visible है तो now oxygen has a yes oxygen has a total of 16 electrons. Akansha, can you tell me the configuration fast? Akansha,
Now it's visible, ma'am.
okay. Akansha, can you tell me the configuration of O2 molecule?
No, oxygen.
Oxygen, yes.
Ma'am, it's 1s2, 2s2, 2p4.
Okay, molecule means 16 electrons according to MO theory. Okay, oxygen atom is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. But what about the oxygen molecule?
Ma'am, it's 1s2, sigma, 1s2.
Okay, sigma bonding 1s2, anti-bonding 1s2, then
Sigma 2s2, anti-bonding 2s2.
then
Sigma 2p4.
sigma 2p, Z. How many electrons here? 2. Then
Pi 2px. 2.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What about 2py?
2py2.
2. Then
sigma 2pz2.
पक्का देखो मैंने आपको एक चेंज बताया था नाइट्रोजन के बाद ऑक्सीजन में कुछ कराया था चेंज है या नहीं
Pi star 2px.
From oxygen there is a change in the electronic configuration. Sigma pi, then it is pi antibonding 2px is equal to pi antibonding 2py. How the electrons are filled? How many electrons here? Total of 16 electrons.
One.
1.
1 and 1, and here it will be 0. Okay, is it paramagnetic or diamagnetic?
Para.
Paramagnetic.
Paramagnetic.
Linoy, what is the bond order? Linoy, what is the bond order? Linoy first. Can you tell me, Linoy? Say yes, ma'am, first thing. Akansha, I have marked it. Okay, RX Sharma, what is the bond order? Okay, 2. How? How many electrons in bonding? Okay, I am asking now the bond order. For O2, the bond order, I want using the formula. How bonding minus anti-bonding? How many electrons in bonding orbitals? बेटा total 16 electrons हैं O2 में. I am talking of O2. Okay, anyone else who can tell me?
10. 10.
Ma'am, 10 in bonding
10
and 6 in
minus 6.
anti-bonding.
कल का
So
दिन
10
और दे
minus.
रही हूँ, नहीं तो मैं बिल्कुल 0 नंबर लगा दूंगी इंटरनल असेसमेंट। ठीक है, 10 minus 6 which is equal to 2. So it means that there is a double bond. Is the molecule stable, Dishita? Is the molecule stable, Dishita?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you were absent yesterday. नहीं, दमन कल आया था. Okay, I can ask दमन. Okay, the molecule is stable. Okay, now दमन, O2 minus. Damain, how many total electrons in delta configuration?
Yes, ma'am.
2 minus.
Ma'am, 16 electrons total and 2 minus, so ma'am 18 electrons total.
Now tell me the molecular orbital configuration.
Ma'am, 1s2, ma'am sigma 1s2. Ma'am, sigma star 1s2. Ma'am, sigma 2s2. And ma'am, sigma star 2s2. Ma'am, can you please tell after this, ma'am, I'm confused. Ma'am, I'm confusion.
Yes. इसके बाद नहीं आता दमन.
No, ma'am.
क्या लिखा तो है, O2 का सेम ही तो फॉलो करो. इसके बाद बोलो किस में जाएगा?
Ma'am, sigma 2pz2.
Then pi to px is equal to pi to py. कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन जा सकते हैं? 2 के अंदर. Total there are 18 electrons. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. यहाँ तक I have done 10 electrons. So we have a number of electrons. 2 and 2. Yes or no? 14 over 10.
Ma'am, pi star 2px1.
Pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py. How many electrons? Total there are 18 electrons.
Ma'am, 2, 1 and 1.
इन दोनों की सेम होती है. यहाँ से कितने होगा? 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 हो गए यहाँ तक. So we are still left with 4 electrons. Pi 2p antibody 2p. How the electrons will filled up?
Ma'am, 2.
पहले ऐसे दिखा दिया करो. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Can they enter like this? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in antibonding 2pz, will there be any electron here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is the bond order, Daman?
Ma'am, 1 second, please.
How many in antibonding? Yes, Daman.
Ma'am, 1.
Yes, bonding में कितने हैं? मेरे को ये बताओ. How many electrons in bonding?
Ma'am, 10.
10. Antibonding?
I'm 10.
Antibonding?
I'm 8.
10.
Ma'am, 8.
I am giving you O2 minus molecule and tell the number of electrons in the antibonding orbital. 1 marker question. So you should be knowing how to calculate. It is 2 by 2 which is equal to 1. Now single, double or triple bond? Bond
Yes,
order
ma'am.
1. If the bond order is 1, what type of bond will be present? Single, double or triple?
Ma'am, single.
Okay. Now next question goes to भव्या. किससे पूछा था? भव्या मिश्रा से. I think भव्या भारद्वाज. आपसे नहीं पूछा ना भव्या भारद्वाज?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavya, now you tell me out of O2 minus. One more question.
Yes.
O2, which is more stable? Which is more stable?
Ma'am, O22 minus.
Why?
Ma'am, because the bond order of O2 to minus is 1, while the bond order of O2 is 2. So,
Order. Okay. More is the bond order, more is the stability. Now tell me. More is the bond order, more is the stability. Now tell me which is more stable.
ma'am, then O2 is more stable because the bond order is 2, but it's still a paramagnetic molecule.
O2 is more stable. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी आ सकता था आउट ऑफ O2 minus O2 minus O2 minus and O2 which is more stable. Question could be like this. तो आप यहाँ पर देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर हमने बॉन्ड ऑर्डर कैसे निकाला हाफ 10 minus 8 यहाँ निकाला हाफ 10 minus 6 इसका क्या होगा इसके पास कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं
10 minus 7.
10 minus 7 हो गए इसके पास 18 है इसके पास 17 है इसके पास 16 अब बताओ किसका बॉन्ड ऑर्डर इसका कितना होगा 1 हो गया इसका हो गया 1.5 इसका हो गया 2 तो which is more stable this is the measure of stability okay so if one mark can give you like this और ये नहीं कि आप सारी कहानियां बैठ के लिखो अगर आपको एक ही कॉन्फ़िगरेशन पता चल गई सपोज आपने O2 की निकाली या O2 2 माइनस की निकाल ली तो बाकियों की तो फटाफट निकाल सकते हो ठीक है so these type of questions can come in one markers which is more stable arranged in the increasing order of stability and so on okay now the next so these were the configuration okay on the will any two molecule exist
Ma'am, but these bond orders correspond to the bonds, like one means single bond, two means double bond, and so on. And so the bond order of O2 is 2 and O2 2 minus is 1. So how O2 is more stable then?
which needs more energy to break down two bonds or one bond
2 bonds.
so it needs more energy so it means it is stable ये break नहीं हो रहा ना
Yes,
इसको अगर if I want to break this bond it needs more amount of energy because we have to break two bonds so obviously it is more stable
okay, ma'am.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ okay if I am taking his N2 without drawing any structure if I am taking his N2 I am taking his O2 which is more stable and H2
N2.
कि N2 का जो bond order होता है it is coming out to be 3 इसका है 2 इसका है 1 so this is more stable वैसे भी आपको मालूम है नाइट्रोजन में ट्रिपल बॉन्ड होता है ऑक्सीजन में डबल बॉन्ड होता है हाइड्रोजन में सिंगल बॉन्ड होता है ट्रिपल बॉन्ड obviously more stable okay
Yes, ma'am.
okay so will neon molecule exist or not
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
configuration if you write the molecular orbital theory so you find that bond order is equal to 0 this will be the bond order it means does not exist so with this we have done the molecular orbital theory okay so now I am coming to the next topic whether you want me to take a class on Saturday or should I extend the classes for 10 minutes each Friday I won't be taking any class
Ma'am, extend the classes for 10 minutes each, ma'am.
मैम आज तो वैसे भी
On
एक्स्ट्रा
Saturday class.
yes
Ma'am, Saturday. Ma'am, Saturday.
Ma'am, extend.
चलो I will see अभी तो
हम Saturday को कर लेना.
चलो ठीक है तो सैटरडे ले लूंगी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ओके नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आफ्टर द मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल थ्योरी आई हैव टेकन नंबर ऑफ एग्जांपल्स
सैटरडे को मत लो मैम
अच्छा अच्छा तुम अभी करो आई विल डिसाइड ठीक है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन अदर सेक्शन आल्सो नाउ अभी से एक्सटेंड कर रही है टॉपिक खत्म करा रही हूं चैप्टर खत्म करा रही हूं बस ज्यादा नहीं बचा actually we have already done this topic earlier also hydrogen bonding what is the condition last topic of the chapter is hydrogen bonding tomorrow I will be taking a short revision. Okay, for a long time, no one has presented a quiz. Anyone whose name starts from A and they have not prepared the quiz. I have a record actually, so I want to ask the students first. quiz वगैरह किसने नहीं बनाई, कोई एक्टिविटी में पार्ट नहीं लिया? One is Arav Grewal. Agnish, have you prepared a quiz earlier? Or take
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Agnish ने ले लिया था. Akshita, I think yes. What about Ayush?
No, ma'am.
Ayush, you can make a quiz on this chapter.
I'm on which topic?
Bonding. Class की Westport theory onwards follow करके भी कल बना सकते हो. Can you make it for tomorrow or Saturday?
And any which ways.
Okay, tomorrow you can make a quiz. 10 questions starting from Westport theory.
Okay.
Only 10 questions and give one depending upon the question. Either you can give 1 minute or 30 seconds minimum. Okay. Condition for hydrogen bonding. Can anyone tell me? We have done dipole forces, hydrogen bonding. Anyone remembers? No. Okay, these are attractive forces. These are not the particular bonds, but these are simply the attractive forces which exist between electropositive hydrogen. It means hydrogen should be having a positive charge. And an electronegative atom. Which three electronegative atoms can form the hydrogen bond?
From nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine.
Yes. And an electronegative atom of small size. Only the three atoms, fluorine, nitrogen, and oxygen, forms the hydrogen bond. Okay. So this type of bonding of another group is called as hydrogen bonding. Now there are two types.
Ma'am, what is meant by of another group?
I am just coming to the point. These are of two types. First is intermolecular. What is the meaning of international? Within the India or outside India?
Outside India.
Outside India.
The first type is intermolecular. Intermolecular means between two different. International means between two different nations. So intermolecular means between two different molecules. We are taking the different molecules. So if the hydrogen bonding is between two different molecules, it is called as intermolecular. Okay. Now, if I am taking for example, if I am taking this HF. This is one HF molecule, this is one molecule, and this is another molecule. Are they polar or non-polar?
Polar.
Polar. What is the charge on hydrogen?
Ma'am, positive +1.
Fluorine is more electronegative. Similarly, here hydrogen is electropositive and fluorine is electronegative. The first condition we have to see that hydrogen should be having a positive charge and the fluorine should be having a negative charge. Now, what type of bonding? Now we can see that there are weak attractive forces. A positive and negative charge will attract each other. So these bond forces are called as hydrogen bonding. Is it okay? So these are between two different molecules, and the molecules having hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, ये आपको पहले कराया था मैंने, have higher boiling points, higher boiling point and melting point because these forces are quite strong. Okay, now let me take the questions based on this. Which of the following will show, कल हम इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी करेंगे थोड़े से, will show intermolecular hydrogen bonding? More than one options can be possible. First is HCl. Intermolecular means between two molecules of HCl. Second is water. Third is ammonia. And fourth is H2S. Now, first one. Will it show hydrogen bonding intermolecular? Ayush or Sanket, will they show intermolecular hydrogen bonding between two HCl? Vishal?
Ma'am, please repeat the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
Will HCl form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Will there be hydrogen bonding between two HCl? Yes or no? What is the condition for hydrogen bonding? Hydrogen is like to positive, chlorine के पास negative charge है. Will it show the intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Can anyone read out from the copy? Agnish? What are the conditions for hydrogen bonding? Agnish, can you just read out from the copy? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Agnish, can you read out from the copy? Agnish, are you there? शिवांश,
Your voice is cracking.
सभी को मेरी वॉइस ऐसी आ रही है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Shivansh, can you read out what are the conditions for hydrogen bonding? Shivansh? Vani? What is the condition for hydrogen bonding? सबके मैं नाम नोट कर रही हूँ.
मैम आपकी आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है.
बेटा बाकी सबको तो आ रही है ना? Okay, Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the condition for hydrogen bonding?
Ma'am, the condition, condition for hydrogen bonding is that, ma'am, hydrogen should be electropositive.
And what about the electronegative atoms? Which atoms form the hydrogen bonding?
Ma'am, fluorine, nitrogen, and oxygen.
Okay, will there be hydrogen bonding in the first case HCl? Between two HCl, will there be hydrogen bonding?
Ma'am, no.
No. What is the reason?
Because, ma'am, because Cl is big, ma'am, Cl is bigger than fluorine, nitrogen, and oxygen.
So only three atoms, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen, can show hydrogen bonding. So this molecule cannot show hydrogen bonding because यहाँ पर chlorine है, fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen में से नहीं है. Now second example is that of water. Who can tell me? Some other student? Water.
मैम बट ये कैसे रीजन हुआ? आई मीन सिर्फ फ्लोरीन, ऑक्सीजन और नाइट्रोजन ही हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग करते हैं तो क्लोरीन नहीं करेगा?
Because they are the most electronegative element having a small size. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग उसी केस में पर्टिकुलर बोलते हैं कि जब इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव एटम इन तीनों में से होगा, उनका साइज छोटा होगा, देन ओनली द बॉन्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एज हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. अदरवाइज दे आर कॉल्ड एज डाइपोल forces. Do you remember I told you about the dipole forces? Right? Yes or no?
यस मैम.
तो ये फोर्सेस आपके डाइपोल है. हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज अ स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ डाइपोल फोर्सेस formed between by these three atoms. Okay, what about water? Who can tell me? Those who have not answered, please tell me regarding water. Gautam, any of the Gautam? Akshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Form hydrogen bonding between two water. Where will this be hydrogen bonding? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because oxygen is electronegative and hydrogen is having a positive charge. Yes. What about ammonia? This is the structure of ammonia. Will ammonia form hydrogen bonding? Yes. Will there be hydrogen bonding between two ammonia? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about H2S?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what type of bonding is called as intermolecular hydrogen bonding, means between two different molecules. Okay, one more example I am asking you. If I am taking a
Ma'am.
CH3, yes,
मैम 1 बजे से ज्यादा हो गया.
okay. Okay, it means you want me to take a class on Saturday, no problem. You can leave.
No,
मैम
ma'am.
आप 10 मिनट ले लो
नहीं,
मैम, 10 मिनट ले लो.
अच्छा,
मिनट ले लो मैम, कोई बात नहीं.
मैम ले लो
as
मैम.
you say, as you
ले
say,
लो ले लो.
हम ले लो मैम, कोई बात
हम
नहीं
ले
मैम.
लो.
हम ले ही लो.
पीरियड तो नहीं है ना तुम्हारे में, इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ.
नो मैम,
No,
आज
no.
कोई पीरियड नहीं है मैम, आपका ये तो लास्ट क्लास है आज.
Okay. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is the next type. Only this is the last topic left. For question answer discuss करके we will be starting with the next chapter. Now, in the case of the intramolecular hydrogen bonding, intra means between the same molecule. Intra means within the same molecule, but between two different groups. Like someone was asking me, what is the meaning of different group in the definition? Example of intramolecular is orthonitrophenol. You don't know the structure, but let me tell you. Orthonitrophenol. Phenol means benzene having a OH group. This is my benzene ring. Benzene having a OH group and other group is NO2. Okay. Ortho means at adjacent position. So this is the structure of orthonitrophenol. Now, can you see that these two groups are quite closer? Yes or no? OH and NO2, they are quite closer. Yes or no? Yes. इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर कोई चार्ज है? ऑक्सीजन और हाइड्रोजन में से हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव, ऑक्सीजन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव. Similarly, यहाँ पर बताओ, which is more electronegative out of nitrogen and oxygen? Which is more electronegative out of nitrogen and oxygen? Which is the most? कैसे? नाइट्रोजन के पास 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, it needs 3 electrons. ऑक्सीजन के पास 6 electrons है, फ्लोरीन के पास 7 है. Which is more electronegative? What is the trend of electronegativity?
Increasing.
Which is more electronegative out of nitrogen and oxygen?
मैम ऑक्सीजन एंड फ्लोरीन.
आपको मालूम है कि सबसे most this is the order. It means fluorine सबसे ज्यादा है, then oxygen and then nitrogen.
Yes,
so out nitrogen and oxygen, which of them will be having a negative charge? Nitrogen or oxygen?
Oxygen.
Oxygen is more electronegative. So oxygen has a partial negative charge and nitrogen has a partial positive charge. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. अब दो ये एक डिफरेंट ग्रुप है. यू कैन सी मॉलिक्यूल्स एक ही है, लेकिन ये एक ग्रुप अटैच्ड है, दूसरा ग्रुप अटैच्ड है. ठीक है. तो इस हाइड्रोजन वी कैन सी दैट बिटवीन हाइड्रोजन व्हिच इज हैविंग अ नेगेटिव चार्ज and positive charge and between oxygen, what type? I am drawing it again, so it's a confused. Okay, now what I am telling you is that here the oxygen is having a negative charge and here what we are saying is that hydrogen is having a positive charge. Now between this hydrogen and oxygen we can see that they are quite closer, so there is a bonding. And what is this bonding called as? Hydrogen bonding. But it is intramolecular. हमने एक ही molecule लिया, हमने दो molecules नहीं लिए orthonitrophenol के. Is it okay? So this is intramolecular hydrogen bonding between the H plus of same molecule and O minus of same molecule. Groups different है, लेकिन आपका molecule तो same है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So in the case of orthonitrophenol, there is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now, if I am taking this example, last example, इसी के अंदर ये same topic के अंदर, if I am taking is this molecule, para-nitrophenol. If I am taking is para-nitrophenol, बेटा आप लोग ना response class से बिल्कुल satisfactory नहीं है. Okay. Now, what about the charges here? Oxygen के ऊपर negative, hydrogen positive, oxygen negative, nitrogen positive. Now, in this case, will the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is possible? Are these two groups closer or away from each other?
Ma'am, away from each other.
These two groups are away from each other. So it means that intermolecular hydrogen bonding is possible or not?
Ma'am, it is not possible.
Okay, now I want answer from others. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible in para-nitrophenol. कौन से पैरा? जस्ट याद कर लो कि यहाँ अगर दोनों ग्रुप साथ साथ होते हैं, it is called as O, and if they are opposite to each other, it is called as P or para-nitrophenol. Okay, now is intermolecular nitrogen bonding possible? Is intermolecular hydrogen bonding possible in above? What is the meaning of intermolecular? Peace between two different molecules. So if I am taking other two different molecules, can they show bonding? Hydrogen bonding, yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, what about others? Vanshika, are you there?
मैम बट ये कहीं ना कहीं ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का पार्ट नहीं हो गया, क्योंकि हमें तो अभी फॉर्मूले रीड करने आते ही नहीं ठीक से.
कोई बात नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन यहीं पर है टॉपिक, तो इसलिए मैं आपको यही एक स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल लेके बताया है. बस आपको यही एग्जांपल याद करना है, और अभी तो आप धीरे धीरे फॉर्मुलेस कर लोगे ना, देन यू विल बी मोर कंफर्टेबल. केवल एक एग्जांपल आप याद कर सकते हो बिकॉज दिस इज गिवन इन दिस चैप्टर ओनली. ओके, नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द चार्ज ऑन ऑक्सीजन एंड हाइड्रोजन?
मैम नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव.
Now can you tell me whether these molecules can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding? Is the bonding possible? क्यों नहीं हो सकता? ये देखो पास पास नहीं है क्या?
पास पास है तो मैम होगा मैम.
होगा ना?
Yes.
इंट्रा नहीं है, इंट्रा पॉसिबल नहीं है क्योंकि ये दोनों आपस में पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन दो डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स के बीच में तो पॉसिबल है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि इफ आई एम टेकिंग इज पैरा-नाइट्रोफिनॉल, पैरा-नाइट्रोफिनॉल में कौन से बॉन्डिंग होते हैं? इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर. But if I am taking is orthonitrophenol, then the type of bonding possible is intramolecular. In the case of orthonitrophenol, it is intramolecular. Para-nitrophenol, it is intermolecular. Okay, I am giving you few questions to be done in the clear copies. Just note down the question numbers. For homework, I will be checking it. 4.28, 4.29, 4.30, 4.36, 4.25, 'Okay, these 8 questions for homework to be done in the copy. Okay, now you can leave.
Ma'am,
Yes, any doubt you can ask, otherwise you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
these kind